Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable a VPN connection on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. Now first, let's swipe up at the bottom of the screen to go back to your home screen, and then we're going to tap on the settings icon. In settings, you can just simply go down and tap on the VPN switch right here to turn it on or off. Now you may not get this VPN switch if you have not configured the VPN profile. So if you haven't got a VPN profile, what you can do is go down here and tap on General, and then go down and tap on VPN. In here you can also tap on the status to turn VPN on or off accordingly. Now if you haven't got a profile, you can tap on Add VPN Configuration to add in a new profile. In here you can fill in the VPN information. Now you can see over here I've got this page. It provides free VPN servers that you can use. So you can go here and connect to a VPN server that you want to use. For example, we've got a US server. You want to fill in the server information, account information, and password. So you can see here I can give it a name, any name that you want to use. And here I'm just going to there's no spacebar in here, so I can't get it. Let me just try to move the cursor over here a little bit. Okay, us.free l2tpvpn.com, and then you go down and you choose a username. Also you choose a type of VPN that you want to use, and account, we choose the account, and I'm just going to paste it in, and secret key that I'm going to paste it in. You need to put in the password, and I'm going to go back here to grab the password for 489. And that's it. So once you fill in the information, you can tap on done. And once you have a proper VPN profile, then that button's back in settings page will appear, and from here you can always tap on it to switch it on or off. Now if you've got more than one profile, then there is no switch for you to turn it on or off. You need to go in here and switch it on or off manually. If you delete all the profiles except one, so if there's only one profile left, then over here it becomes active with a switch, so you can turn the switch on or off just like that. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.